This almond flour bread is delicious and nutty, and it surely hits the spot. All you're gonna need is add 4 eggs to a bowl. Then you are going to whisk the eggs thoroughly, ensuring they're properly whisked. Then you are going to add 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil, or you could use olive oil, 1 teaspoon of honey, and you're going to mix, ensure everything is combined properly. Once that is done, you're going to add 100 grams of almond flour. This almond flour is actually made from almond pulp that I had left over from making almond milk. And then you're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix properly, and then, well, before you mix, add your almond milk. So I wasn't sure if I was gonna need all the almond milk, so I kind of played it by ear, but you can just go ahead and add a shot glass of almond milk to your recipe to ensure that your dough mixture is at the right consistency. Okay, so not too thick and not too runny. All right, once that is all mixed, you're gonna pour your batter into your baking tray. Ensure you preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius, and you're gonna just put your batter transfer your batter to your baking dish. Ensure everything is leveled off nicely. And once that is done, you're going to go ahead and bake your almond bread for 20 minutes in your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Keep an eye on it so the top don't get too dark. And that's it. Once you are finished, let it cool for about 20 minutes on a cooling rack. And there you have it, almond flour bread. It's delicious, and it